Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos, centerpieces ideas and decoration ideas, Christmas tree decoration ideas. I hope you all my viewers are fine and doing well. In this collection you see the ideas of Merry Christmas decoration. Merry Christmas is the most important festival of Christmas. Christmas is not just a date, it is a frame of mind. Love the giver more than the gift. It is Christmas in the heart that puts Christmas in the air. Christmas is a stocking stuffed with surgery goodness. Christmas is not a season, it is the most wonderful time of the year, blessed in the season which engages the whole world in the comparison of love. I like to compare the holiday season with the way a child listens to a favorite story. The player is in the familiar way. The story begins, the anticipation of familiar turns in takes the familiar moments of suspense and the familiar climax and ending. Christmas Day is our cross as long as we have hand to crops. Christmas Day will always be we here. We have welcome Christmas while we stand heart to heart and hand in hand. The earth has grown old with its burden of care, but at Christmas is always young. The heart of the jewel burns on the stars and fear, and its soul full of music breaks the air when the song of angels is sung. Guys, if you are interested in these videos, in these special videos, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.